Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my spam and eggs. Okay, so you're going to need a tin of spam, of course, and I'm just going to cut this into bite-sized pieces. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to put the spam in there to fry it up. I'm just going to let this cook until it gets nice and brown. I wasn't sure if I wanted to make a video with this because to me, everyone knows about spam and eggs. But when I was telling my husband about it, he said that he doesn't know about it. He's never had it. So this is all new to him. So that's why I decided that I'm gonna make a video with it because maybe some of you have never heard of it. Let me know in the comments below if you've heard of it and how do you make yours. This is something I grew up eating, and we do it different ways. Sometimes we would just slice it up and then cook it, or maybe mash it and then add the eggs to it. So we do different things to it. Growing up in Belize, we didn't always get spam. We had other brands, so we use other brands, but we do it the same way. Now that my spam is nice and brown, I'm going to add 6 beaten eggs to that. And I'm not putting any salt in the eggs because if you know anything about spam, it's really salty, so there's no need to add any extra salt. If you love spam and you want to see how I make my spam sandwich, my Belizean style spam sandwich, of course, check it out. I'm going to leave it linked below for you. I'm going to serve this up with some hot sauce and some flour tortilla, and this is my homemade flour tortilla. So if you're looking for recipes on how to make flour tortilla, I have a lot on my channel, so I'm going to leave them linked below for you. As Belizeans, you know, we would have some fried beans on the side. I didn't have any on this day to put on the side, but that would be perfect if I had some. It's been a while since I had this, and then I decided to make it, and oh my goodness, that thing would just hit the spot. It was so good. It brought back so much memories. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite way to eat your spam. As always, thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.